Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing great. Road signs can different shapes and colors te thake. Kile eniga thake moi etu video de short par apni gi share kurubo. Different road signs kan ase. Etu video de moi sob ekbar bar he share kurile video bishi lamba ho jabo. Idone moi khali first de shape laga he share kurubo. Baki next tinta nule charta episode de moi full different road signs kala different meanings ki ase moi etu apni ge share kuri dobo de. Ita khali different shapes kan laga he moi etu video de janibole try kurubo. Let's quickly begin. First is a circular shape with red border. Itu shape laga under the different road signs kan ase. Circular signs are used to give orders, usually something which we must or must not do. Itu circular shape la road signs kan ba drivers kan ge order is na de. একদম strictly follow করবলে লাগে আমি এটো সার্কেল শেপ না রোড সাইন্স কান গাড়ি চলাই থাকা দামতে দেখিছে কইলে নহলে চেকিং গান থাকিছে কইলে তো আমি ফাইন বি তেরা বলে ওলাবো itu one circle shaped road signs kan apne dikhiche bole jani jabi mandatory ase ami an jinia tenia hulibi follow kurule lage de koigina itu moi apne ge circular shape laga janai dia ase. Next is a triangular shape with red border. Itu shape laga under the different road signs kan ase. Triangular signs warn drivers about upcoming hazard or a change in the traffic flow. Apnian itu triangle shape laga road sign kan dikhiche bole jani jabi apnian ge warning ekta di ase alert hobole karne matlab age de rasta bia ase nulibi landslide ase nulibi accident la area ase enega ahead warning de driver khan ge na alert hobole karne apni slow down kurule karne itu basically safety karne ase itu karne apni gari cholai thakar amte triangle shape dikhiche bole tu jani jabi apni alert hobole lage de koi na itu triangular shape laga moi apni ge share kuri ase. Next ase rectangular shape. Itu shape la under dibi alag alag road signs kan thake. Rectangular signs give the driver some kind of information about what's ahead. Matlab rectangular shape la under di kiman road signs kan ase itu sign khan bra drivers khan gi information de ki age de petrol pump ase nohilbi restaurant ase hospital ase ene ahan information de driver khan ge to apni nitu shape la road sign dikhiche gole to jani jabe apni ge information dia ase gona so that's the rectangular shape road sign. Next ase circular shape with blue color. Itu shape la under the different road signs kan ase. Circular signs khan bra driver khan ge instruction de direction ekta de matlab apni agir jaise bole to keep left nohile bi parking la area dikhabo nohile bi apni ge direction dibo help kore drivers khan ge na confusion na khawole karne itu karne apni itu circular shape de road signs kan dikhiche bole to jani jabi apni ge direction nohile bi instruction ekta di ase de koigina itu circular shape laga bi moi apni ge share kore ase. So that's it with the different shape and the colors road signs kan clear thake guna moi apni ge janai dise next tinta nule charta episode te moi aro apni ge different road signs kan bhal bra explain kuri dibo to apni han etu video do informative or helpful lagise bole moram kurina moi gibi grow kurule help kuri dise bole moi bishi khushi pabo de subscribe like or share bi kuri dibi de so that's all with the video let's meet in the next vlog thank you so much.